What are Hridaya Granthi? We have studied it number of times. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi, Chidyante Sarva Samshayaha, Kshiyante Chasya Karmani, Tasmin Drishte Paravare. Vidyate Hridaya Granthi. Granthi or a knot is a knot which is not. And yet it is pretty naughty. Change the spellings properly in the right place for every knot. See? And such a knot is the knot of a necktie. Now, those of you who are putting necktie, you know, the necktie knot is such that when the neck is in the loop, then it ties. But if there is no neck in the loop, you pull the two ends and it opens. So it appears it is a knot, but it is not. It is only the belt only. That's it. Exactly the same way. Take another thing. In some place, they were asking me, Swami, we are not able to understand the Hridaya Granthi. What it is, we can't understand it. We know Avidya, Kama, Karma is Hridaya Granthi, but even then it doesn't click. So we are not able to get it. What exactly it means? I said, all right. This happened somewhere in one of the camps. So I said, now you let us play and understand this. So about a dozen we sat around. And then one person, I said, you take this handkerchief and run behind and put it behind somebody. And if he knows it, he can pick up and beat you. So when it was done 2-3 times, they were relaxed totally. Hridaya Granthi, the knot on the head of the removed. They relaxed. Then I said, okay, understood, one game. Now second game. Now take this hanky and hit this man. He took the handkerchief and hit. Then I asked him, hey, did you get any hurt? No. I thought he was, fanning me. I said, now take the same hanky, the other end, diagonally, make a knot to that. Yes. And now hit. So is it hitting? Yes. Why? Because this is a knot. I say, what is a knot? Knot is that which is not. See? So, Hridaya Granthi, that means, it doesn't mean there is something. Then the cloth was entangled in itself. So, entangled cloth is not. K-N-O-T. Exactly the same way. Hridaya Granthi is entanglement of what? Avidya, Kama, Karma. Incompleteness in knowledge leading to the desires and fructifying in the karma. So there is nothing, it is the same pure consciousness expressing through the limitations, therefore incomplete knowledge. And this incomplete knowledge leads to the desires, and the desires lead to a karma. So where is what? So if this incompleteness is knowledge is removed, ajnanam, how it can be removed? By only understanding. See? I am body is not the issue. Only this body I am is the issue. On what ground we say, only this body I am, other bodies I am not? No logic, no nothing. See, how simple it is. This incompleteness in knowledge is, now you start reflection, incompleteness in knowledge is what? I am body is not an issue. But only this body I am, that becomes the issue. Similarly, reflection in the mirror is not an issue for a man. But reflection in the mirror is an issue for the animal. Now what is the issue? Reflection is not the issue. Taking the reflection to be real and thereby fighting with that is the issue. In the same manner, one consciousness expressing through every body through the process of body identification, and then this body identification is common for all the beings. But when we take only this body I am and not the other body, ajnanam. See, avidya, kama karma. My friends, therefore, there are two ways. Like we have seen earlier, either I am everything or I am nothing. See? Like my leg never say I am a leg, my hands never say I am a hand, my nose doesn't say I am a nose, my back doesn't say I am a back. But when I refer to with the legs, I say, hey, my leg is hurting, yaar. So there I have taken the leg as mine. Leg never said, I belong to you. We say. So this I who is owning the leg is the same I who is owning the hand. So this I is everywhere. Or I is nowhere, because when the hand is owned by I, the leg is disowned. Think. Vichinna grantaya sarve. This we have to understand distinctly and clearly. We have to do it, nobody can do it for us. See, my dear friends, try it again and again and again and again. See, avidya therefore is what? Any knowledge which is gained through the limitations of the sense organs, mind and intellect, and taking that knowledge to be the ultimate real one, this phenomena is called avidya or ajnanam. See, knowledge is never absent. Avidya or ajnanam is not absence of knowledge. Avidya na vidyate. It is not that it doesn't exist. It exists. Existence cannot be absent. Therefore, Chinna grantaya sarve. Now this is the first thing, granthi, avidya or ajnanam. Now whenever there is a sense of incompleteness, that sense of incompleteness creates agitations. Agitations in what? In the conditioned consciousness. In pure consciousness, when agitations, the world is created without any desires. But when in the conditioned consciousness, when the agitations are created, they are desires. And the mind is born. So consciousness with the desires is mind. Mind minus desire is consciousness. The handkerchief with the entanglement is a knot, and the hanky without the knot is a cloth. See, they are not two. Vichinna grantaya sarve. And when there is a pressure of desire, it will immediately express through action, karma. So avidya, kama, karma, these three factors are the hridaya granthi. See, friends. Therefore, if we want to get out of it, where from we have to start? First of all, withdraw from too much of activities. Karma, 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 enough of it. Now, to the extent the karma is reduced, to that extent, the desires will be also reduced. See? And then what happens later? The desire to do meditation still persists. Even that desire also must go. The desire for liberation also must go. Desire for liberation is confession that I am not liberated. What will you do with liberation? You are not going to get anything. Therefore, chant this mantra and contemplate on this. Nothing to gain, nothing to lose. You don't require this pranayam, and this meditation, that meditation. So when nothing to gain, nothing to lose is the Maha Mantra, you will remain naturally quiet, relaxed under all conditions.